Welcome to 5 minutes Python break. Today we'll see Python fundamentals. These are the character sets which you can use in Python programming: A to Z, small or big, 0 to 9, spaces, special characters, white spaces, /n/t, /u can give you special Unicode characters, /u900 can give you Hindi. What are tokens? Every single smallest unit of a program is said to be a token. These are the different type of tokens: keyword, identifier, literals, punctuations and operators which can be used in Python. Let us see each of them. Keywords. Keywords are special reserved word which means something for the Python programming, and this is the list of all the Python keywords. False, none and true are the only three keywords which start from capital. Identifiers. A name that you give to any variable, any object, any class or a function is said to be an identifier, and there are certain rules related to the identifier. Let us see each of them. If I am writing a is equal to 12, a is an identifier. An identifier can start with underscore. Underscore name is equal to abc can be written. This is a identifier. A identifier cannot have special characters like @ a equals to 12 will throw an error. @ is not allowed. Moreover, it cannot be a keyword. If is a keyword, if I try to use it as an identifier, it is going to throw an error for me. Literals. What are literals? Any constant value. Over here you can see that 12, abc are all literals. Literals are of different types. Let us see what are literals. String literals. Anything that comes in double quotes or a single quote is said to be a string literal. Within a string literal you can use the special characters or the escape sequences /t, /n. We have already discussed them. There are two types of string literals. You can have a single line and a double line. Let us see how we can write a single line. A single line comes in, starts and closes in a single line. If you attempt to write it in another line, see if I am going to write and press enter, it is going to give me an error. If you want a literal or a string literal to be in multiple lines, I need to write it in triple double quotes. I can write on hello, enter, how are you. This is a multi-line string literal. Numeric literals. Integers, floating points, boolean and none are the integer literals. Integer literals can be decimal, 0 to 9 combination of numbers. 0 to 7 is octal and hexadecimal is 0 to 9, A to F. Let us see how they are to be written. When I write a is equal to say 42, then a is a decimal integer. If I'm going to write a is equal to 0x123 ab, it is a hexadecimal integer. If I'm going to write a is equal to 00176, then it is an octal number. If you want to find out what is type of a, you can just write type a. You can say it is an integer type. Here it is an octal, here it is an hexadecimal integer, and here it is a decimal integer. If I am writing variable a is equal to say 4.2, it is said to be a floating point integer. If I am writing a is equal to 4.5 or 4 plus 5j, then this is a complex number. You can write down type a. It will show you that it is complex. If I write a is equal to 4e01 and I'll write down type of a, then it is a float. These are the different data types. If I write a equals to say true, its type is boolean, and if I say a is equal to none, its type is none. Next we'll see in the next video. Thank you.